Welcome to the fascinating realm of geographical techniques. These are the tools we use to decode the world around us. Let's dive in. First off, we have cartography, the art of creating maps. This helps us visualize spatial relationships from the vastness of continents to the intricacy of city streets. Next, we have remote sensing, which uses satellites to gather data about the Earth's surface. This gives us insights into climate change, natural disasters, and more. Then there's Geographic Information System, or GIS. It's like a super-powered map, allowing us to layer different types of information for detailed analysis. Lastly, we have surveying, a technique that measures the physical features of the land. It's crucial in planning and construction. So whether it's mapping, remote sensing, GIS, or surveying, these geographical techniques are essential in understanding and navigating our world. Remember, geography is not just about the where, it's also the why and how. Until next time, keep exploring.